All right. For the church will be a crowd. The Baba Kasa of a year issue. Na yakwanim. Cover. The Kasa for issue na yakwanim. A friend is saying, the issue be a trouble. Na if a Lil Wayne, film actor, musician, producer, entrepreneur, and a bosom pion. And as you say, your friend then Absa. Absa no meaning it says Barclays Bank or more I be di hunkumo and enumere. Adofo ye kwayanim na ye di enkomo. I'm okay, Adomako. Everyone is fine, charity. Issue no. Ko don't cancel Lil Wayne. I'm say issue are trendy on social media. I'm say enra kra Kwame Plus video for ho ana or blasting Barclays Bank say omu take advantage of a brand here no. Our bafo no for free promotion. I think it's the menene ya dream wo sasem nemum bank number out aba beka say omon suma Lil Wayne say Lil Wayne koye advert bia ma omo ena pion the maintain say we release statement bia aha na Lil Wayne your friend is saying the managers also release statement so I don't know now or use it for fun. That be who use it for fun. So long as I who a year say ude label be able to so a label no a year bank na release this statement. Now me bank ni statement no. Me ba be here me ntia se yi because Ghana copyright ye ntia se. And you know people take things for granted. No mu use nkrofo enema anyhow. So I just say omu nyai. One say Facebook say omo very you copyright when the ones there before na me born nyom no kra me born for yi keke me mfanya you this time Facebook wants me live video as I me born nyom bi say me bo na me ana my risk because me born nyom ni we are sometimes cry they block my account temporary no omo block my account no kakra etino copyright there we are artists and as obi a professional like Ojon Kansan. So Lil Wayne pesadia no dodo. Always try and say or be travel on someone's So I just obi ya or di kwani eno no dia ya o. Otis obi abonyom ana onipa ne trend pe. Ono peso di bi ya patapa. So I just say na ekire no de ka patapa crash but atadwa we no agi yini ontimi nya hwe. Because we are artists. Also to dum ni bi. We film just imagine say we Lil Wayne. They say films are we what copywriting nyina na odi go YouTube even Facebook kura no so obi ko download the YouTube no e de to Facebook Facebook to me try say video na dey ato no it has copyright issues it is sometimes Facebook kura to me punish on that one way your account no kura no omo to me on publish for some days say sana mo ye film ni ade no mo ye enti ko fa obi nyom say nyom no ko fa ne say atadwa ba a challenge we know say everyone and no be a challenge maybe. Nemo ye challenge. Na so the brand be video now wo ye no. You put a brand on that video. Brand name so your bank. A Barclays Bank. You nim say a business now we. Na me Barclays Bank na me do my statement on my release no. And so why because more big institution to say Barclays Bank. Na so obi afa mo brand. Akofo obi brand do. A brand ne nya ne dia. E dia be ye bibi like commercial dey mamo. Now we release this statement. I mean, I totally disagree with you. Some will say you will sue the person to serve as a deterrent to other people now. Omoko fan California anyhow. You know. So I just say, it's a dear Lil Wayne you know. One ye. Now me should just say, obepe coin be no near tide guy and trans no maka. Now me bank no me feel say a face saving. They are trying to play smart to save their face. It's normal release statement say they know nothing about what Lil Wayne did. It's Lil Wayne confirm mo brand the Bible too because Lil Wayne sa page na wa create no. A page or there a YouTube or di Jessica. Wa monetize it our Jessica ho. It is what the mo brand koto. I don't think it's a Lil Wayne na or ye film our ye you know because tam Barclays Bank logo. The akwa koto na yusu keke. Some to a David Barclays Bank they should come again. That statement, you know, yanyin they should come again. Because they went first so smart. What I say? Ataju abonyum. Obia ye challenge. Enti no force and crofo ye challenge, you know. Enti challenge in the obetimi akoye bi. Now ye challenge, you know. Wakofo obi logo. Ah ye bank. Omusu ya another institution. Logo the abetu video now ye no so. It means say what jisika bi and na wo person wo di obi nyom. And the other na tama wo ye ataju challenge, you know. So what I say, I then when you sue our woman man find it. Wouldn't him say Tajwa way no a quick more. It work with the bank below go now. There be another entry mouse. The entry mouse leeway. I dear we are no. Leeway ye no. A smart move and a bank and I said that. Pese omube because me ti haya me ye video. Me ti me go kotan stand chat and answer sebi. Ebi a me ye video no makotam. Peace FM logo. E de aba to me video ni so. Na makofa sa akode anyum ofecho. So I just said the to say no. Say your politics, say be a political party be and be as all fine young cry na the boy no cry there. And yet nina copyright infringement. Now so politics there yen nim obetima kofa no for commercial purposes. Artists in the best sorry say and no cry no meji say they different. Na mum Barclays Bank institution business institution financial institution they are making profit. So I just say omo making profit too. And to conform logo e de beto sebe eyi awo yeso esa akofo obi nyum ne trendy se wo the year challenge they abeto amasa Lewen you are not smart than anyone. Piyong me say asem we ne Lewen twene tan e so tuawo bank ne de wakọ jiska o bank ne na mpese o mbeka no kware eti na omudi mrika abe release statement. Yes, they have released statement. I know eti omo fo say I see a bash one. What say how do I know? Me the tia me de me nka say almost sponsor ti asem ni ye test. Me say okofa bank ni logo. Bank na release statement. Bank na nka say upon this no, we use am logo cry wrongly because I know so cry na infringement. Enti ka bank no e betima si ole we ana say omo de no be fa kwan bi so. But o man ka hwe. Enti wo yasa de a na eno so no say kire say munim hu bi. Enti na me ka sa. Me nka say bank ni mu ude ti asema America ni ye me patre say bank ni statement no mu release keke say you know to me no smart no mu play because institution munim say Lewen or fans na tajo anyom no so trendy enti okofa no de ye we na many people will come and watch through that no bank ni benya customers through that. So I just say enti no ho na twema dwen say statement na bank ni release because video no in circulation did that. Yenyi video ni free. The video is still around. Apps and that so. Yenyi Lego ni free so. It Lewen smart na Lewen player no. So now pesade no. We enka uye obia atado agai ube friend o minua. We challenge ya ba ide. Me pesa me ye yi kakra. Na me de be ye ayi. Anya ding. I don't think that the guy will be difficult in dealing with you. I don't think. But Lewen pesado do. One patapa kwan ode no faso ye mu bi ene sorry gina ya e kasa ho ene ade na ojai patapa enkanya sanka patapa say enka ba bia wadunka wanu ho Lewen aka musicians be bre ase a o mantumi ansori biu enkrofo be bre with talent Lewen kan mo say the people couldn't bibia biu patapa de say ye nyina ya no am bi mu me ye videos more than 10 about patapa issue no. Ye video sa na video ni trend ye video ni e bash no and a manager enka patapa say tamo oje one corner no enko kofa ne de no e de ba be katas because that time Lewen no influencer enko fo bebre nim no Ghana enka patapa say na enka why popular obi anim no worldwide no enka Lewen kan say because anko de ne de ne ba enka ne de ne ba ya enka na patapa de na e trend no Lewen de jokes are not de ne de ne trend from and ye bash no ye ne sa na ne nwom no wan tumi anya yi a anko ba bia So I say ye ni bri ye ba mu e bashe no eti Piyon nyom no opese you want to write on Piyon say a film kakra na onya no you just want to ride on it. Lewe ani sorry that greediness no e mabufu copyright way no e se Ghana ya enforce and social media Facebook wunim na Facebook ukofa obibibi even anyom se sasa akodi anyom kra se uye video na ebam kakra bia Facebook no ma tro say copyright infringement and I say this video no has copyright issues and even obi video kra uko download unless say me say me video January me de engrofo bebre timi fa ko to YouTube enya problem me am YouTube ne ma man for so timi fa enya den me ma me ha but me video no se bia ma customize it ma ye ni nyina me de me logo ato so na wonim na uko download di ko to YouTube block o internet no what I say copyright we na ye aduma na Shatawale ye live video said dem ye na wonim na we YouTuber o ko fa Shatawale video na wa ye no e di ko to YouTuber ni YouTube ayi nyina wa ye nte din bia ye Shatawale bebam se bia ono a Shatawale ni wo mu no wo di to YouTube pe na YouTube send you message ss YouTube no ujiska wo mu a sa sika no ebekọ Shatawale honom wa register we no ni videos o ye ni live videos wa register ni nyina anti we YouTuber na kwa fa Shatawale video the two YouTuber say YouTube no monetize sika ne yemfa ma ye de be mani pa ko say akodi o when all these guys eti omo aye bloggers a omo fa amanfo video hwe say de omo ye no ebi wo ho a no omo di pictures na omo ade no omo converted ko bia MP3 na che say omo di pictures no na audio ni bo wachire say say na omo ya omo dididi na no kra be kakra be chom because people will start reporting them. So on internet no be video a sebe why say wa customize video no ana wa register video no say we dey go to YouTube kra YouTube by block. I just say no ma ye video me nya no hwe ntu ofa eno kra no say me report to my YouTube say the video na me na mo video nim enti I want you to put that video down. Na so onipa ni so nya YouTube kra block sa video no and take it down. So I just say enti no enne no copyright na say ye adwuma eno na boa ema osebi obi ye na adwuma me we nya ma adwuma me ye etu be fa me video am ni problem but to say Piyon no ne nwum no eye nwum a obo enti no sebi eno na odidi hu kakrakra say eno so ye nwum a trend na say wo le wen eye say wo be play smart se bia wakoje wo advert wo ba bi na wo di logo na ba beto se me senkale wen oto atadwa no te say atadwa challenge se nkrofo yi and one ko fa logo bia to ha enko bia any problem but no ko fa logo ni to ha e wo problem so empen me ba shi bank ni dia but I think say bank no wo dey memon benefit of the doubt but any problem am me with the bank ni say sen ko omutimi we no the state state say they have nothing to do with Lewin no or they did not sell Lewin and how many ni contract bia no ma san state say Lewin asa for mudin e de ye bibi enti no so kra ni they can deal with him. But I hope say Atadwa guy ni there where the American play Sanya man it has to serve as a deterrent and that's what they Lewin ho che no so I say nka Lewin here video no wan ko fa logo bia meto so nka obi any problem but wo do obi nyuma air trendy wan ko fa logo a profitable organization ya beto so there it means say you are making profit somewhere with someone's eno de obi abedwa what I say enu obia obedwa so what I say enu di obia bedwa if you say Piyon na fe no oba afe no nante kakra oba but if you want to ride on it na yi na won so odi be yi dia entwa oh etile we pesa dia no this is not the first time away you and I'm di kan musicians be bra up and coming musicians won le we ko samo koye nyuma ube hu ana nwom no wode influence no age no wode abeto no wode nam ho no okọ say business bi ana wode aye nkrofo bebre but enya fine oh Piyon ga fe no oba nyame adom why lucky music we no to say we be hit be room san enya easy age patapa say before so buy no struggle enso patapa buy ya na Lewin age say nka o kana se and ye sorry yes no masa ye mpene ye mu bi sorry ye Patapa metu obiaka but you sorry yes and no you be kwaman ene ye kuma na until say patapa jane ho a otimi di ye ne man kanya sa patapa say enka lewo kofa waga drain ne ma bi di kata ne so ko di kata ne so one time anka o mane mpie kra o di wan corner buy some be kai a controversy some nyina mo kai. He tried everything possible to just say obe konkan wa kill patapa kra eno kra nyum no se ne dia no ko studio emu nsem bebre and yes massa oboa we will never give you chance say obe sa de no and ye jina na mo so maya ma kwan enti bosom pion wa kofa ne nyum atadwa challenge nkofo bebre aye bi problem bi ama ho but wo de kofa challenge no and wa kofa obi logo na kire say wa wo di challenge ni didi etanu de ye ntwema sa yan twimasa dije so didi say we a smart guy sabi ube free guy oh minia what dey here me de na emom say bia me ya yi kakra but wo video na wo de beto ho wo di video na ikoto YouTube as agisika di wo hu without to say nipa na wo ko find works no e di gisika no unko hu no wa nse guy ne nkrofo ama out atadwa nipa yi omo ne nkrofo ama out ameka enka management kura nka mu release statement. But omo ba out no omo be kan na bank ne nso so eye Barclays Bank ukọ form logo de to so no omo so aba say omo no ni ko ba Barclays Bank no me mom benefit of the doubt but me said that new omo asem ni me said that new omo asem ni but me mom me blast him if so omo de sabi enyo omo fault nda no blast Barclays Bank no me blast him but le when they say me blast no esa me blast no jai sa suban no na pempenso anyankopon de ama ho no le wi ma wani so aka hododo me ya me ntiase won say we ukọ bible mu a ebi ni David die ya soja pani na David ni yire no bebre soja pani yire ba akopẹ o pe soja ni no eyire ne na danti o say that soja ni kodi ku anim ami eku soja ni so do be fa ne yire. So, said obe fa soja ni ne ebi ni le win upon all niema wenya piyon we owode en piyon onihwe afei eno oba piyon afei no rising kakra eba ejanya ntobo ase wo de wenya wo de now person wo de challenge se bia wo de ye comedy a enya boni na emo mutimi play smart emfa me business eno de wo ye sade a you have to see piyon sit down with piyon na business no percentage wo mu strike deal no so enyum ni de da ho sanye obi ye DJ obi ye den obetimi akofa na emom if ukoye no ayi na so de ye yi a no emboa emboa etino I think say lewen wanya de lewen wanya de kra lewen anya de it as a matter of fact so okope bibia ka kire pion nya sa de a what I will urge pion ne say say your friend is saying one no eka sikasem so am trans no mka sikasem so want me free pion no ni pion trans o minia e bia say or say ya what I say so one ni trans na omuka sikasem no mo kasikasem because anya mano ensase ehwe mane koso it affects the music industry emwa esa up and coming so binya breakthrough kakra bia sabi obebresa wonya bibia na ebi ni wo influence no we take advantage of them and only me problem ntina me video ntile wen sa suban no beja ye na de nyankopon de adomo no ma wani so. You have been blessed. At the end, I will away. Unam way. And then, Yamiadum. Who school? Yamid West baby. I don't know all the time. So, when you have been so froba, is as a boy union. Or try say, Ube take advantage of union. What I say, oh, Basono. If that is how people did to you, I don't think, say, and Kale Wayne, and Kaudru baby, I would do yen. And yet, it wouldn't be bad. Now I help Unibi. Sa umpempen so wadru no. If someone is climbing, no push no wadru ho. But who there, you don't take advantage all the time from up and coming. Obi when you breakthrough, no more trendy. And you just want to take advantage of it. Never your business. Never do sika do butum. Without say nipa no crown and kasa. And yet, to say me am go fat adwa the year. What I say me you be advert na me fat adwa. And no na tadwa or ho kwan. Say or confront to me. Say me ya advert then ma ko fa nenyum de aye. Or ho kwan. What I say advert, say a program keke ena wo ye. Ena wo di ye na nya advert. Asem bi anyu. And your program and no na nya advert enya hwe. Eti wo industry nim no. E wo so hu say wontimi fo bi ayi kwa. Enti no enye entwa ye le wen wan nya de. Bank ni de me fo say omu placement but me ntimi blame on enye omu fault. But pion say woni le wen mon trans management no na mo hwe kwan a mo be fa so a ne ma be kama. Me fa mo sia me da se.